Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you this wonderful recipe of face cream. This is made of the neem oil which I have just made, and it includes some ingredients which will help your skin to reduce rashes and pimples, and this also helps to keep that skin flawless and very smooth. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this cream, I have included few skin loving ingredients. First of all comes the Aloe Vera Gel, which is a very good source of a moisturizing agent. Regularly using Aloe Vera Gel on your face helps to keep it moisturized, nourished, and also helps to reduce dryness. Next, I am using Arrowroot Powder. This is a very unique powder and a special powder used usually in face creams to help reduce the greasiness of the cream. It also helps to soothe your skin if you have rashes, irritations, and even pimples which can cause itchiness. So this is the purpose of this arrowroot powder used in creams. It can be easily purchased in any supermarkets. Next, an optional ingredient. This is Turmeric Essential Oil which I am using. This can incorporate the qualities of turmeric in the cream. So the next ingredient is this oil which I have made at home. This is the neem oil. I have made a video on this. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check out. So the procedure is nothing. It's as usual, as simple. You can just include all the ingredients one by one. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and the arrowroot powder, along with 2 teaspoons of the neem oil, and I'm going to give a good mix. Mixing is very important. It takes at least 2 or 3 minutes for continuous mixing of this product, all the products, to make a cream like consistency. And this is very smooth and very fluffy because of the arrowroot powder which you have used. And this is almost done. If you can just take a little bit on your palm or on your fingers and see for its consistency, if it is very smooth, and this is done. This is the time you can add the essential oil which I am using here. This is the turmeric essential oil. You can use any one whichever you have, like tea tree oil or geranium or lavender. It's up to you. I like to use this oil. Give it a good mix and your cream is ready. This can be stored in the refrigerator for more than or even in room temperature for more than a month, and if you make it in large quantities, you can store it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want. Always make in small quantities so that it will help you, and you can test it on your face. So you just take a little bit of this, apply on your skin and give a massage, and this will simply seep into your skin. The skin will absorb this cream and it will be very light and fluffy. It can be stored in a small container. To use this, you have to just wash your face and apply it in the night or even in the daytime. So try this and see how it works for you. All such DIY creams are very simple to make, but all you need is few ingredients which can be used regularly. If you are sensitive to any of these ingredients, you can always use an alternative whichever suits you. So if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share it. Thanks for watching.